Making functionality convenient is something SolidWorks spends a lot of time refining. Let's take a look at some part features that make fleshing out your design a lot more efficient. You can now automatically extrude multiple thin contours in a single sketch, saving a lot of manual steps. To aid in completing an operation, all end conditions are now available for features with a right click to help in minimizing mouse travel. Reducing steps also is the ability to enter an equation in any field during the feature creation. You have access to the same fields as for editing dimensions on the screen. And one of my favorite enhancements is the support for units on global variables now. So when you change a document's units, everything stays proportional. So some very nice streamlining of the workflow for part features that will save you time and minimize errors.